The billion-dollar Mirage. It began with a promise of gold, progress, and prosperity. In 2021, Aurelia Mining Group, a global conglomerate based in Chicago, announced a new sustainability initiative in South America. They claimed their new extraction process would be clean, transparent, and environmentally responsible. But by 2023, the only thing being extracted faster than gold was public money. Aurelia's rise was meteoric. Their green gold project won billions in government subsidies, backed by glowing environmental audits. Investors hailed it as the future of ethical mining. But when satellite imagery from independent researchers showed deforestation expanding near Aurelia's sites, not shrinking, questions emerged. At first, the company blamed third-party contractors. Then, the numbers started talking. One environmental NGO noticed Aurelia's carbon offset data didn't match the corresponding government registry. Credits supposedly purchased from Brazil and Peru didn't exist. The reports had been forged. Enter the Federal Forensic Financial Unit, FFFU, led by veteran forensic auditor Carla Monroe, known for exposing corporate money laundering rings. Her team was tasked with reviewing Aurelia's sustainability grant expenditures. Within 2 weeks, the audit team discovered a maze of 39 shell entities, all linked through dummy directors and virtual addresses in the British Virgin Islands. Each company submitted invoices for environmental rehabilitation, carbon research, and community grants. The payments? Over $1, $4 billion, wired directly from US and international development banks. The services? Non-existent. Forensic accountants often say, follow the money. But this time the money ran in circles. Monroe's team traced the transactions through encrypted SWIFT messages to an offshore private bank, Cielo Trust, in Zurich. There, the funds were converted into commodities investments under anonymous portfolio numbers. To pierce the veil, the team enlisted the help of digital forensics specialist Eric Zhao, who analyzed the internal metadata of Aurelia's accounting software. Inside, buried under archived payroll codes, he found something shocking: a secret ledger titled Project Sunfall. The ledger listed all the offshore accounts and payout cycles, along with initials of senior executives, including CEO Marcus Vance. Every fake carbon project, every falsified invoice, every government bribe was itemized in cold, calculated numbers. Then came an unexpected ally, a junior compliance officer. Isabel Reyes contacted the forensic team anonymously. She had been working in Aurelia's Quito office and had seen company executives destroy shipment logs after a surprise inspection. Her email read, "They're not mining for gold anymore. They're mining the system." Reyes smuggled out scanned documents proving that the environmental labs Aurelia claimed to fund were nothing more than abandoned warehouses. But days after sharing her evidence, she vanished. Her apartment was found empty. Local police dismissed it as a voluntary disappearance. Carla Monroe didn't buy it. Pressure mounted when Aurelia's investors started demanding explanations. During a live press conference, CEO Marcus Vance denied wrongdoing. Aurelia's commitment to ethical mining is unwavering. Any discrepancies are administrative, not criminal. Behind closed doors, the company's servers were being wiped clean. But Monroe's team had already mirrored their data. They reconstructed internal memos, revealing coordination between Aurelia executives and corrupt officials in the Department of Environmental Grants, who received kickbacks disguised as consulting fees. Vance's personal assistant's email contained the smoking gun, a transfer schedule labeled Mirage rotation. It showed every date Aurelia inflated its production reports just before grant renewals. In a tense moment caught on hidden camera by federal agents, Aurelia's CFO, Jonathan Pierce, was filmed attempting to bribe an auditor with cryptocurrency wallets worth $5 million. Pierce's arrest triggered a chain reaction. One by one, senior staff turned state's witnesses. They revealed that the so-called Green Gold project was a front to launder profits from illegal mining operations in protected reserves. Reyes's evidence resurfaced, forwarded to international prosecutors by an anonymous source believed to be her. The forensic reconstruction matched every shell company to a real-world payment path. By the time the indictments were unsealed, Aurelia's stock had crashed 87%. During the trial, prosecutors displayed a digital timeline created from Monroe's forensic team's work. Each money transfer illuminated on a massive screen like arteries of a diseased heart, stretching from Chicago to Zurich, from Quito to the Caymans. The jury gasped when they saw Vance's own initials next to million-dollar authorizations hidden in consulting reserves. The evidence was irrefutable. Vance was sentenced to 22 years in federal prison. Several government officials resigned in disgrace, and in an unprecedented move, the federal court ordered the repatriation of $940 million in frozen assets, returning the funds to international development banks. Months later, Carla Monroe received an encrypted email with a single attachment, a satellite photo showing a new mine opening deep in the Andes. The sender was unsigned, but the message read, "They never stopped. They just changed the name." The documentary closes with Monroe's voice. Fraud doesn't die, it adapts. And every time we expose it, it learns how to hide better.